Hello everyone, welcome back again to another recipe. In today's video we are going to be making tilapia light soup, and I hope you will like and enjoy this recipe. It's very delicious, and kindly subscribe, like and share if you haven't subscribed to my channel. For the ingredients, I'll be using medium size onion, ginger, garlic, calabash nutmeg, cloves, aniseed, rosemary, sage, and 2 habanero pepper. So I'm going to prep and blend the spices, and I'll add it to the tilapia to marinate. So I'll go ahead and add the blended mixture to the tilapia, which I've already washed and cut into pieces. To it, I'll add half a teaspoon of vegetable seasoning. I'll marinate it well, cover it, and let it sit for about half an hour. So next, to a saucepan, I'll add white beans, carrots, 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, and habanero pepper. I'll cover and let it cook on a medium heat for about 15 minutes. Once it's done cooking, I'll remove it and blend it and set it aside. Next, to another saucepan, I'll add the marinated tilapia, a tablespoon of tomato puree, a tablespoon of paprika powder, and the stock from the tilapia. I will cover and let it simmer on a low heat. Next, I'll add the salted beef and the rest of the marinade. Next, I'll go ahead and blend the vegetables and add it to the tilapia. Once the vegetable mixture is added, I'll add enough water and I'll let it simmer on a low heat for about 10 minutes. And at this point, I'm going to add some mushroom. I'll let it cook on a low heat for another 5 minutes until it's all done. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you are enjoying this recipe. and thank you all so much for your support, and I hope you are enjoying this recipe. So this is a very simple tilapia soup, very simple and delicious. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. I'm going to enjoy this with some fufu, and at this point it's all done and ready. So thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this recipe, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, bye.